You're watching the Fox 5 Morning News at 7.
All right, do you want to treat mom this Mother's Day? Have you thought maybe about a gift of beauty? Dr. Richard Chaffoo is here with some treatments to help her feel and look younger, because you know mom is just always so tired. Most
it's a
of
hard
us
job,
are.
right?
It is a very hard job.
Hardest job I think there is.
I agree with that, but you know, I'm biased. Okay, giving the gift of beauty. There's an etiquette to that, because it was like 1 year, this has nothing to do with beauty, but my husband gave me a vacuum cleaner for Mother's Day, and I'm like, what is this?
Right.
So when you give a mom a beauty product, you don't want to really tell her you look old, Mom.
No, so you have to be politically correct, right? And guys, we're not always politically correct.
No.
We're not very filtered, unfortunately. So really it's that whole range of things, Shally. It may be, you know, something very, very simple, like as a product, a beauty product, and then maybe a little treatment, you know, with a HydraFacial. And there are laser treatments that can be done. There's CoolSculpting, and there's obviously surgical. So it's a whole range of options that are available.
You brought all kinds of ideas. So let's remind everybody, Mother's Day is this Sunday.
Yes.
So if you were out of ideas, and typically we do like the flowers, the candy and all that stuff, but if you're looking for something nice to give them,
right.
You know, most moms, a lot of them already do these things. So how nice for somebody to pay for it.
Right,
Okay,
so it's perfect.
Take us through. So the HydraFacial.
So the HydraFacial, they're great, because our esthetician does that, Shally, and the HydraFacials do several things. One is they're specifically designed to remove the outer layers of our skin. We call it exfoliation, right? And then after that, there is a removal of the plugged pores, so the debris that gets in there. And then finally, there's the product that goes in. And the products go in to help the lines, the wrinkles. They get a nice glow effect.
Yeah.
So
it's one of my favorite things that I do, and I know Heather does it as well. It's like literally like a vacuum on your face, and I love that feeling. So I promise you, your mom will like that.
Right.
What about if you want to give the gift of lashes to mama?
So that's the other thing, and interestingly enough, something called Latisse, which many of us have heard about, FDA approved. It originally started as an eye drop for glaucoma, and they found coincidentally, wow, these people were developing these really luscious lashes. So they decided to kind of switch gears as a company and created this product that actually not only can grow eyelashes, but makes the existing eyelashes much thicker. FDA, very safe, very effective.
Okay, that's the gift of a lash. What if you want the mom who needs that youthful look with a little injection here and there?
Sure, and you know what we're talking about that today is what we call a liquid facelift, if you will. As we know, all of us as we age, we begin to lose volume, we lose the fat and bone structures, and so part of this is involved bringing in that lost volume. And we're using a lot of these fillers, you know, the hyaluronic acid fillers, which are natural products, are reversible, and we can put those in, you know, areas, the temple areas where we lose our volume, or our mid-face, around the mouth area, and they'll last variable periods of time. There is some evidence, Shally, that these fillers, though, will have a long-term effect on our skin, so there may be some improvement overall in our skin. A good effect, positive effect. And then adding to that the neuromodulators like Botox, because it tends to soften the lines, the horizontal, you know, the furrows between the eyebrows, the crow's feet. So that combination of fillers and Botox is thought to be what we describe as a liquid facelift. So it's either as a standalone procedure, say for a person who is just early signs of aging, or someone who's had a procedure done that will actually help that last a little bit longer.
Okay, almost every mama who has the babies, you know, your body changes forever.
Ever, right.
So if you want to like slim down a little bit and kind of get that pre-baby body, but CoolSculpting, is it really work?
It really does work. It's an amazing treatment. Again, FDA approved, very safe. And the way that it works, Shally, is it's the use of applicators to the skin. So there's no needles, no injection, no downtime, no anesthesia involved. It's an office procedure. And what happens, Shally, is these applicators are applied to the skin where we have those small little, you know, areas of localized fat, and it cools those fat cells. So our fat cells, our adipocytes, are very sensitive to cold. So when they're cooled to a certain point, or they're frozen, the cell membrane actually ruptures, and then the body gradually removes those fat cells from our body over a period of weeks to months. So if you do a series of CoolSculpting treatments separated by months, oftentimes you can get results that are quite similar to what could be done with liposuction.
Wow, it's amazing. Okay, so you have all of those. You also have some fun products, different creams and faces.
Yes.
You know, if I knew then what I knew now, I would have been doing this stuff in my 20s.
Right. It's all about prevention.
Yeah, all about prevention. Dr. Chaffoo, thank you for being here. All good stuff and really good ideas.
Happy Mother's Day. We brought you a few flowers to pre-celebrate
that. Oh, this is the, oh, what a gift. Thank you.
Sure.
I appreciate it.